The truth is that access to justice depends on access to capital, and lawsuits are expensive. We also know that better resources mean better results. So litigation finance allows you to have better access to justice because it evens the playing field between undermoneyed and well-funded adversaries. And as I mentioned, litigation finance can be used for attorney hourly rates. It's not just a contingency tool, and sometimes that gets misunderstood. It can be used for expert fees, e-discovery software, computer forensics, deposition. You know, if you've done depositions, how insanely expensive those can be between a court reporter and the transcript and flying there. You can pay for a jury consultant. You can pay for in-court presentation. That's both personnel and technology. You can pay for a reconstructionist and many other resources ranging from adding staff or personnel or a social worker or a nurse or a medical professional or a private eye, whatever you would need to advance your case. And you wouldn't do it because you don't have the financial means to do that. Litigation finance helps in that respect.